Hey, what's up guys? So far we have seen four video lectures on blockchain, and in today's video let's discuss some of the core concepts of blockchain. So essentially we'll be discussing regarding the algorithms that are used in blockchain. So we have the hash algorithm, that is the core algorithm of blockchain. That is, we have the SHA256 algorithm that we'll be using for this blockchain. So it's a core hash algorithm used in blockchain technology, and it's SHA256, and it serves the purpose that the output cannot be decrypted back to the original text. That means if you have a certain fixed length of text, you cannot regenerate or just reverse it back to the original text. So it kind of, that level security is there in blockchain. So essentially it's there in hash algorithm, and so we adopt that in blockchain and keep it in that. So it's a one-way cryptographic function. It's a fixed size for any given size of source text. So it's like you have a kind of fixed size text maybe there, maybe of 32, 34 kind of lines or kilobytes maybe there. So you just have to just input it to a hash generator, and it will generate a kind of particular kind of encoded kind of thing is there. So it's like a decrypted text is there. So you just cannot do the decryption kind of activity back to its original state. So it's that level secure is there. So that we incorporate in the blockchain, and a slightest change in the input can cause a significant change or a massive change in the output. So let's understand this with the help of an example. So let's say we have this example. So in this you can see there's a hello world written. So when we put to this a hash function or a hash generator, so it will generate somewhat this kind of text, that is the very first line. And so if we add a kind of punctuation at the end of the word, so the hash function just generates in this way. So it's like different from the very first one. And then if you change the capitalizations, or if you just make the capital H as small or the capital W as small w, it changes the entire function. So it's like you just cannot regenerate it back, and it has that level of security. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you got educated by watching this video, please do like, share, comment, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.